Today's video will focus on 2 power infinity and infinity power 2, discussing which one is larger. 2 power infinity represents multiplying 2 by itself infinitely many times, then, infinity power 2 represents an immensely large number multiplied by itself again. These two numbers are incredibly large and abstract, making them quite challenging to comprehend. Therefore, I will explain them using different approaches. Before we start, you can think about which is larger, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Let's get started. Let's simplify the situation first. Instead of using infinity, let's use x as a placeholder. So, we're comparing 2 power x and x power 2. Let's substitute x with a relatively small number. First, let's substitute it with 10. 2 power 10 is 1024 and 10 power 2 is 100, and you can see 1024 is greater than 100, thus, 2 power 10 is greater than 10 power 2. From here, we can see that when x is replaced with a relatively small number, like 10, 2 power x, is larger. Now substitute x with a quite large number. Substitute it with 20. 2 power 20 equal to 1048576 and 20 power 2 is 400. When x is replaced with a relatively large number, 2 power x also is larger. So, can we conclude that no matter how large a number x is replaced with, 2 power x will always be larger, right? I used a graph to help you better understand. The blue line represents x power 2, and the green line represents 2 power x. You can observe that there are 3 points of intersection. Before the first intersection point, the equation x power 2 is larger. After the intersection point, it shifts to the equation 2 power x. This pattern continues until the second intersection point. Beyond the third intersection point, the green line consistently surpasses the blue line. We can infer that when x is greater than 4, 2 power x becomes larger. However, since infinity is greater than 4. So, 2 power infinity indeed larger than 2 infinity power 2. The final conclusion is that 2 power infinity is larger. I hope you enjoyed the explanation process. Feel free to share this video with your friends and give it a thumbs up. Bye.